Today we're talking about rakes and how we can defeat them. We got all kinds of rakes. Bogotas, Southport Pagoda, the prototype from Peterson bogey set. Sparrows, about the only thing useful in their kit. It's my opinion. The 1800s Peterson, and this one came in a Peterson kit. And you can see these ones are upside down, and it's from across the pond, our friends down under. And this is a ripple rake, extended ripple rake. It simulates the key bitting, kind of like a city rake. It works pretty good. This is a Mont ReyKey. See, somebody's tried to get in there twice. There's 2 bite marks in there from somebody tried to hack into it and they failed, so it's a strong lock. If they only had a rake, they wouldn't have failed. And it's that fast with this ripple rake. Just a couple little rocks and it's open. Same with a low cut Bogota. Now when you get these Bogotas, the low cut ones are square at the top, so you gotta file off the edges or they will get stuck in the pinholes in the top of the lock. You gotta finish them. They're squared and they're sharp, so you gotta round them off and get rid of those square edges. They will get stuck in the pinholes. It's not working as fast as the other one, but we'll get in there. A little rock and rolling. I should have reset the pins. Let me turn this thing upside down and zip the pins here. Gotta give it a fair chance. There we go. That's how fast it is when the pins are set up right. Anyway, this is a rekeyable lock, so I'm going to put some of these high security pins in it. Seeing that it's tough on the outside, I'm going to make it tough on the inside to defeat these rakes. Alright, it's the Mont ReyKey. We're going to make it better. Alright, thanks for watching. Stay legal.